Hi, this is Maker Myers, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload a video to YouTube that you can then use wherever and however you want for your students. Just keep in mind FERPA laws and student names and images and stuff like that. Make sure you don't include those things. But let's say it's just a video of you. That's an easy thing you can upload to YouTube to be able to share with others. I'm actually going to upload one of my other tutorials, so I'll show you the process. So here I'm on YouTube with my school account because I'm posting these on my school Gmail. And if you have a Gmail account, you also have a YouTube account. Now to upload a video, you simply click this little icon here, which if you hover over it says create a video and more. Or if you click on your little face there, you can click on your channel and it'll go to your channel. The easiest thing though is just click that and then click upload video. Now from here I have my a little window that says to upload. I can either select the file and search for it on my computer, or if I already know where that file is, I can drag and drop it into this window. So I've got my folder already open. I know where that video is. I'm just going to drag that video over here and boom, it starts uploading. Now this is where you'll put your title for your video. So this is scheduling assignments to post to Google Classroom at a specified time. And here you describe what your video is. These are those video notes that you see underneath. So you can put your hashtags and your links to social media or whatever if you want, or just simply describe what the video is. So I'm going to say in this video I show you how to schedule an assignment to go live on Google Classroom at a specific time. This allows you to create multiple assignments at once, but have one post each day. And if you watch that video, you'll see that's really helpful because then you can schedule out a week's worth of assignments all at one time. So anyways, I've got my title, I've got the description. Up here, if you have a specific thumbnail you want to use, you can select it there. Or once the video is done processing, it'll show different scenes from the video and you can select one of those. For me, I don't care. I'm just going to have it be whatever the default thumbnail is because no one's going to go on YouTube to find this video except for those I send it to. Here, if you have a specific playlist, like I have a playlist for all of my teacher tutorials, you can add it to that playlist. But this is not necessary. If you want to create a new one, you can down there. If you just want it to go on your channel and you're not worried about that, then you don't need to select anything for playlist. Here, this is YouTube's new, well, not just YouTube, the federal government's new laws regarding Child's Online Privacy Protection Act. You have to mark whether or not your video is made for kids. So in this case, this is for the teachers, so I'm going to mark it as no, it's not made for kids. And then you can restrict it to only those over 18 can view it, or anyone can view it, but it's not necessarily made for kids. In your case, though, if you're making a video for your students, yeah, it's made for kids, so mark it as yes, it's made for kids. For me, it's not, though, so I'm going to select that. Then paid promotions, if you have, we won't have paid promotions for this, so I'm not even going to worry about that. But you can add manual subtitles and things like that here, or tags if you want. Now, my video has finished loading, so I actually can see a preview of it over here. And now you'll see I can use some thumbnails from the video and select which one that I want to show up for the thumbnail. So anyways, after I have all those, I hit next. Now I can add some other options. So cards, you've seen that on YouTube. Those are the links to promotions or other videos or things like that. You can add those. You can also add an end screen where it has links to other videos. You've seen that before. This is where you would add that. I'm not going to. And then on the last page, this is where you publish it. So if you want everyone on the internet to view it, you select public. And in this case, that's what I want. If you want only those who have the specific link to your video to be able to access it, but you can't find it if you search for it on YouTube, then you select unlisted. And this is a good one if you're trying to send it directly to students and you don't want anyone else to see it. Do it as unlisted and then just post the link on whatever it is you want the students to be able to find your video from. And then private, if you select it to private, only you can view it, no one else can. Oftentimes people will create multiple videos at once, they'll set them all to private, and then when they're ready for people to see it, then they'll go in and change it. You also, if you want to schedule a date for it to be made public, so maybe you make 10 videos all at once, but you want one video to be posted a day, just like in Google Classroom, and here you can schedule it to go live at a certain time. This Premiere, don't worry about that. It has nothing to do with us. So in my case, I'm going to select public. If you want anyone to find it, pick public. Keep in mind these things down here. And then once you're all ready to go, you hit publish. And once you hit publish, boom, your video is live on YouTube. That's the link to it. If you go to it, you'll see, hey, I'm on YouTube. I'm a YouTuber, except I'm not going to make any money. And that's okay. You can also share the link to specific social media. If for some reason you advance through all of that before your video finished loading, what it'll do is it'll show up in here as processing. And that's fine. When it's done processing, then it will go live. But it has to finish processing at least a standard definition version, and then it will go live. And eventually when it's done with the HD version, it'll automatically convert over to the HD if that's what you recorded it in. So that's how you upload a video to YouTube. If you have any questions or help with this, please ask. I'll gladly help you out. You also can upload videos directly via your Google Drive and then just send that out as well. I just know that some people may want to post their videos on YouTube, and this is how you would go ahead and do that. So, thanks. See you later.